Hello friends, today I'll show you how we can transform our images into the trending social media images just by using Photolab and Snapseed. Open Google Play Store in your Android. Now you have to download and install it. Since it is already installed, so I'll open it. At the home page, you need to click on the trending option at the top. Here you will see many templates are there. All you have to do is to just select one of them. I'm choosing this one. Now select your image from your gallery. And here's my image. Now within a seconds it will be processed and ready to be used. You'll get ads on this app. Now here's our image is ready. Click on the three dots at the right upper corner. And save the image. Our image is saved. Now open your gallery and select the image saved in Photolab section. Open that is Snapseed. In Snapseed, you need to select the healing tool to remove the watermark of Photolab because it's distorting your image. The healing tool. Now remove the watermark. Now your content is ready without watermark and you can use it in social media. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.